Hello everyone. So this is day 11 of May of our transformation journey. Today is 19th of August 2026 and we are back. We did a 3K run and then we did some jumping jacks and a bunch of squats plus a few sets of push-ups. Today I was lately doing something, so I'll tell you what was it and how you can take a lesson from that. So I started a paper account. I invested using Claude and Gemini recommendations and back forthing that. I nearly spent half an hour for around 1 month seeing that, testing that would it work or not. So after a few time I was like chalo dekhte karke. So I scraped all the data and everything. My steps were, I was scraping data, giving blindly to Claude and Gemini for suggestions based on recent news and back forth like this. Okay, so I wanted to test how things work. So something I realized was that whatever recommendations it gave, initially it would have been like a very good investment, by the way, but later on if you would like check those, so it would relatively perform very bad, because these models, they are not trained on how the things will happen later on. And actually what I researched a bit, so there are many hedge funds and all this who invest in these companies. Okay, so probably they want you to buy things which will make you less profitable and make other more profitable. It might be trades or equity as well sometimes. So I did understand that having your own strategies is very important, and you shouldn't rely on AI blindly. At least you should have your own fundamental or set, and never start blindly following and investing your real money in AI. Just do a paper trade and you know the ground. So that is what I want to say. Be aware of these things. So I was aware, and the paper portfolio was actually turned down around 60%. So that's really a huge amount. If I had invested, then I would have lost. But that's where you test strategies, you see what happens if you use these models. Actually I used Gemini and Anthropic both. Both were down only because I don't know what happened to these models, but though they claim they are so much intelligent, but they are actually not. Okay, so have your own set of fundamentals, use AI, but don't blindly trust it. That is it for today. Bye bye guys.